How to turn off autocorrect in iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Praveen Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off autocorrection in iPhone. Well, if you are frustrated by the autocorrection option, which can be quite annoying, then here is how you can fix it real quick. Simply open up your settings, tap on settings and open up settings, scroll down, tap on general and open up general. Here on general page, you want to scroll down and find the option that says keyboard. Right here on the screen you can see, tap on it and open up keyboard. Under keyboard, if you scroll down, you should see the option that says autocorrection. If you enable it, if it is enabled, if it is green, then you want to tap on it and you want to disable it. So you can do so similarly for auto-capitalization and many other options as well. You can see predictive text, so prediction, inline and such. However, you can see autocorrection, you can toggle it off real quick. This is how you can turn off autocorrect in iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.